Welcome to easycrochet.com. Today we're going to learn how to do the baby chevron. I'm going to show you the first and second rows. You can find the free full pattern at easycrochet.com. We're going to use Feels Like Butter from Lion Brand Yarn. And I already put out the starting chain. It's a multiple of 20 plus 21, but you can find that in the pattern. We're going to start in the second chain from the hook and single crochet 2 together. Okay, we're going to start right here. Insert the hook. Yarn over, pull through. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 3. And you have decreased or single crocheted 2 together. Next, you're going to single crochet into the next 7 stitches. Into the next stitch, you're going to single crochet 3 times. This will be the top of the chevron. Now we're going to be going down the hill of the chevron. You're going to single crochet 9 times. After you single crochet your 9 stitches down, I highly suggest counting to make sure you have 9. The next step, we're going to skip 2 stitches and single crochet into the next stitch. And you're going to single crochet 8 more times for a total of 9 single crochets. Okay, now that we've done our 9 single crochets up, you can kind of see how it's turning out. Now into the next stitch, you're going to do 3 single crochets. Now you can really see the chevron. You should have 9 stitches left. Okay. You're going to do 7 single crochets. Now you're left with 2 stitches. You're going to single crochet those 2 together, just like we did at the beginning. And your first row is complete. Now to do the second row, You're going to chain 1 and turn your work. Okay, to start now, we're going to single crochet the first 2 stitches together. Insert hook, yarn over, pull through, insert hook into next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3. We're going to single crochet into the next 7 stitches. Okay, working our last single crochet. And I'm just double checking I have 7. And into the next stitch, which will be the top of the chevron, you're going to do 3 single crochets. Okay, into the next 9 stitches, you're going to do single crochets. And this is just a repeat of the first row. It's really easy once you get the hang of it. I always suggest counting to make sure you have enough stitches. So I need 2 more here. So 8, 9. Now we're going to skip the next 2, which creates the dip, and we're going to single crochet into the next stitch. Single crochet 8 more times. The chevron's really starting to stand out now. Okay, into the next stitch, the top of the chevron hump again, we're going to do 3 single crochets. You should be left with 9 stitches again. Okay, 7 single crochets. Now you should be left with 2 stitches. We're going to single crochet those 2 stitches together. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3. And you are done with your second row. You're just going to follow the same steps, the whole entire pattern. It's the exact same thing. If you'd like to find the full written tutorial, you can find it at easycrochet.com and search Baby Chevron Blanket. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below.